Ta biết đấy.
We condemn
Congress Party.
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 Kejiguan benda Pynjah ya kitin jong ka kedi ka balaya jong Narendra Modi panwandra ya kani hapo ka politics nasgo kam ya ha ipin ramjur ya ka Congress Party ka ba layat lak ya put usam ha ka long yeng ka long sep oi ban ka party ngidan la ka jong ka hak ban Pyrshah ndai ban le ban kren ya ka yeng ka sep kham tam ya ka kedi jongu ka baladon hapo ka jimbang kwai jongu blai dengan snow bakam ya hap ban ni Pyrshah jur barang yang deki nong yalam jong ka BJP Meghalaya di Pyrshah jur ban barang kini kut kam jong ka BJP party di Pyrshah jur ya kan deka jing le ban ngiladon ka FIR ru bangin pha chathie na ka minta iladon ke deka FIR ru kaba ya kilakren ka
FIR, we from the BJP party, we have come here before the Sardar PS, whereby we have filed an FIR against Mohammed Moitra, whereby she stated that Amit Shah's head should be cut off. This FIR is a zero FIR, whereby you can file from any part of the country and the police will take cognizance of the case. This FIR also highlights that the said person, Mohammed Moitra, has insulted the scheduled caste of the Motua community and hurting religious sentiments of the Sanatanis.
And
So we from the party, we hope that the police in our state also will take action so that a cognizance case could be registered against Mohammed Moitra and book her under the relevant penal provisions of the law.
and the protest outside this
The protest outside the Congress party was against the party worker of the Congress, that is Mohammad Rizvi, whereby he insulted the late mother of our Honorable Prime Minister. So from that point of view, the police have acted swiftly. We thanked the police, whereby they have arrested the said person against these derogatory remarks against a dead person.
Today protest for two reasons.
Yes, today's protest is for two reasons. That is against the derogatory remarks made against the mother of our Honorable Prime Minister and against the derogatory remarks made by Mohammed Moitra, whereby she said that Amit Shah's head